Hello everyone. I'm sure that you've downloaded the worksheet and solved it. But now we will be solving it together. Let's start. Exercise number 1. We have to answer by sand or clay. Let's read sentence number 1. It is permeable. And as you know, permeable, it means that it allows water to pass through it easily. So it is permeable. Is it sand or clay? Yes, it's sand because sand allows water to pass through easily. Sentence number 2, it feels gritty or powdery. What do you think? Yes, it's sand. We can feel the particles of the sand. Sentence number 3, it has large particles. We all know that sand has large particles while clay has tiny particles. It is impermeable. It is impermeable. It doesn't allow water to pass through it easily. Yes, it's clay. Sentence number 5. It has tiny particles. Yes, we all know that clay has tiny particles while sand has large particles. Sentence number 6. It feels loose. We all know that clay feels loose while sand feels gritty. Exercise number 2. We have to circle the correct answer or answers according to this picture. What can we see here? We can see balloon, right? Balloon filled with water or balloon filled with air. Balloons filled with air. Number 1. The helium inside these balloons is a type of gas. Yes, it is a type of gas. Number 2, the gas does not have a definite volume. It's true, because gas does not have definite volume or definite shape. Let's read number 3. The gas takes the shape of its container. Yes, it does. Gases take the shape of their container. Number 4, the gas has definite shape. What do you think? Of course, no. Exercise number 3. Here we have to place a check mark in the box beside each picture that shows a living thing growing bigger. Remember, a living thing growing bigger. Let's start. What can we see here? We can see a baby bird in a nest. This bird growing bigger and bigger, right? And it began to fly, right? So what can we see here? Is the bird living or non-living thing? It's a living thing, so we have to place a check mark. Let's move on. Here we can see a girl building a wall using stones or bricks. Okay, are the stones living or non-living things? They are non-living things. So she's building a wall and growing taller and taller, but it's a non-living thing, so we should not place a check mark. We can see a kangaroo, a baby kangaroo, in the pocket of its mother, right? Then it grew bigger and bigger. Can you see? So it's a living thing growing bigger. Here we can see a boy blowing air inside the balloon. As he blows more air, the balloon is growing bigger and bigger. But is the balloon living or non-living thing? It's a non-living thing, so we should not place a check mark. Exercise number 4. We have to match with letters, or we have to write the letters of the state of matter for each object. Okay? We're gonna write S for solid, we're gonna write L for liquid, we're gonna write G for gas. Here we have milk. Is milk liquid, solid, or gas? Liquid. We have smoke. Is smoke gas, liquid, or solid? It's gas. We have juice. I'm sure that you all enjoy drinking juice, right? So it's a liquid. We have bottle. The bottle, is it liquid, solid, or gas? It's solid. We have a barrel. Can you see the barrel? What do you think? Is it solid, liquid, or gas? Yes, it's solid. The clouds. Clouds are gas. Gases. Cloud is a gas, okay? We have a chair. Chair is solid, right? Or liquid, what do you think? Of course it's solid. The steam. The steam coming out of the kettle while the water is boiling. Yes, it's gas. Now what we should do, we have to use the above figures to complete this table. Here we have has a definite shape. We all know that solids have a definite shape, right? Does not have a definite shape. We know that liquids and gases does not have a definite shape, okay? Okay, so let's start with definite shape. Solids, what do we have here for solids? We have bottle, we have barrel, and chair. Okay, here does not have a definite shape. Let's see. We have milk, we have smoke, right? We have cloud, we have steam, we have juice. So liquids and gases does not have a definite shape, while solid has a definite shape. Exercise number 5. Let's observe the figure together. Okay, what can we see here? We can see a farmer, a barn, we can see animals, we can see some plants. Okay, we have to name 3 living things, okay? You can name, I will write pig. You can write pig, you can write animals, you can write cows, you can write the sheep, okay? I wrote pig and grass. The plants are living things. You can write the flowers, okay? And the farmer. I mentioned the farmer. Now let's circle 3 non-living things. We have more than 3, but let's circle only 3. I circled the mill. It's a non-living thing. I circled the truck and the barn, okay? You can circle this tiny house, you can circle the fence, okay? You can circle the shoes, let's say. Great job, everyone.